What's up, everybody? It's another day in the Ideal Auto Factory. Welcome. If you're new, hey, stick around. You'll like the video, and then you made to decide to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to though. Comment down below if you're new. Say what's up. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Check out the website. All that stuff. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to install some Flow Series halos on a Dodge Challenger. So stick around and enjoy. Cue the intro.
Yeah, yeah.
Tools you're going to need are zip ties, cutting pliers, double-sided tape, some kind of ooga-dooga machine, a 10mm with an extension, and a 13mm, and a heat gun for the double-sided tape. It's a red V6 Challenger. The year is, you unlock it?
I think it's 2020, 2019.
What year is it?
It is a 2020.
All right, so it's a 2020 Challenger. God damn, really? And it has projector lights here. You can, I think my hand can fit through. Yep, you can see my finger somewhere. A little finger. So this is going to be straightforward. You just wipe the headlights off, clean them off really well. And then you put the waterproof halos on, and then after that, you wire them up. They're waterproof, guys, waterproof. You can see the little, like clear protection over it. And then they have 3M tape on the back. This is probably the only vehicle that you can do this with. Like I said, my fingers, you can see them right there. So you just stick it on and then boom, you run the wire right through there. But when in the kit, it comes with 2 extensions. The extensions belong on the driver's side because you bring all the wires over here where the power is and the ground is. I've installed a lot of headlights from Lighting Trends, and to be honest, these regulators and everything, they've changed over the time that I've started installing them. This is Bluetooth 2.0, so this is now a different app. It's not Magic LED, it is LED Hue. It doesn't have 200 modes, it has less. I'll show you that later. But as quick as this video is, that's how quick you can get this stuff done. So let's get our steps going. Step 1, let's go ahead and check everything before you stick stuff on and install it. I already did that. So for you, make sure you power everything on off the vehicle, or plug everything in, make sure it works before you stick anything on to these headlights. You want to make sure everything works. That goes from plugging it in to turning on the app to turning them on and playing with them before you put them on the car. Step 2, now that it works, now we're going to stick them on the headlights and try to route the wires. The wires will be routed under these red things here. So let's do that. Alright, little test fit, little test fit, little test fit. was 3 minutes of our life, guys. 3 minutes of our life. We now have the halos stuck to the outside of the headlight, and the wires are now where we need them. We need these wires to be routed now. So that is step 3. Yeah, step 3, route the wires. This part of the process is where the zip ties come into play. You can use whatever you want, because these covers going back on there. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't gonna be seen. I just need y'all to do it like to where them things ain't gonna be going with the wind when you driving, 80 miles per hour plus, because we don't need those problems when we driving fast in our Challenger. Wires are secured. Right there, 1. Let me keep it going. Pulled it tight, main point number 2. Pulled it tight, point number 3. Pulled it tight, point number 4. And we pulled it tight again, and we got all 4 of them. All 4 wires. I say again, not 1, not 2, not 3, but all 4 wires. Boom, zip tied right there, right there. So everything's zip tied, and watch this magic. Y'all gonna be like, what? This is magic, guys. Gonna hide all of our wires to prove a point before we can turn them back on, because we know they work. I'm kind of being cocky right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a part of this process where I'm covering up. I would do this last, honestly, but I'm trying to show you guys how simple this process is, so you can do it yourself, and or just understand how it works, so you know how to get it done. Look at that. Boom. Where the wires go? Oh, there it is. That's it. Like, that is all. And if you want to be extra, you ain't even got to show these. You can just move them back. But there it is. Now let's give some power. Make sure you wipe down where you're going to apply your double-sided tape. We have double-sided tape on the back of our Bluetooth module. We also have double-sided tape on the back of our voltage regulator. Step 4 is route your power wires, or route your output. Step 4, plug in your wiring, plug in your power, plug in whatever. One of these gonna work, in Jesus' name. All right, so make sure you have your double-sided tape on this and this. I like to lead with this first. So this is gonna go in the section where we just wiped. And then from there, we're gonna put everything else, and then we're gonna put the power wire on the fuse box, and then the ground wire on the ground spot. The Ideal Auto Factory tip of the day, courtesy of Chauncey. But make sure you connect your ground before you strap down your Flow Series output box. Now, it may look like a bunch of jumbled up wires right now, and that's because it is, but we're going to change that right now. And boom, just like that, you have a nice install. Of course, we put our ground here, that's a 10 mil. Then we have our power that we put over here. Let's open that up. Yeah, so there it is. Make sure you take the 13 millimeter bolt out, lift up this whole red tab so that you can close it when you put this under it. There we have it, a successful install. I think that took all of 10 seconds to do, to be perfectly honest. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna play with it, but it's called, what do we call this? The testing? Yeah. Testing. We're gonna take it for a test drive, but this is essentially us just having fun, enjoying the fruits of our labor. Thank you all for watching. Gonna roll some nice footage of these things in their element. So enjoy that, and I will catch you on the next video. Final tip, you're gonna need a heat source that's not flammable, so no flame, maybe a heat gun or a blow dryer, because you wanna heat up that double-sided tape everywhere that you install double-sided tape in order to make sure it has a good bond to whatever you're sticking it on. So that is the last thing I have to say for you guys before I let you go.